Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how to sell on Robinhood. So in order to sell stocks on Robinhood, it's very simple. Make sure to stick with us till the end. And then to begin with, open up or log in into your Robinhood account. First of all, it's going to ask you to verify, so type in your passcode and then you'll be directed to the home page. Now the home page is going to look something like this. In order to sell stocks, first of all you need to make sure that you have enough funds that you can actually sell. So here what you'll have to do is you need to go to your stock detail page. So over here you'll be able to see the stocks that's available on Robinhood. So in order to sell the particular stock, you'll have to go and tap the stocks button, or you can also use the search bar tool located right on top. After that, you need to look for the particular stock that you wish to sell. So let's go with this particular one. So if you want to sell the following option, then you'll need to scroll down a bit. So after that, you'll be able to see all sort of information here. You can go through the expiry date and all that. So after that, you have to tap the trade button located right at the bottom. Now in my case, I don't happen to have any funds, so I'm unable to press the trade button. But if you have enough funds, then you'll be able to see the trade option in a green box. All you have to do is just tap on it, and by default you'll ask to enter the amount you'd like to sell in dollars. After that, enter the amount, and then you need to confirm all sort of details. Now you need to review your orders and confirm that all the details are correct, or select edit in order to make some changes. Swipe up to submit your order. That's basically how you can sell on Robinhood. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.